Hello, everyone. Today, we are excited to share FrankenSlide with you. It is a great productivity app that you're going to love. It has been built on top of Elastic Agent Builder and the broader Elastic stack. The team that built it comprises of Gabriel, Sandeep, and Divya. They are all Elastic certified engineers who have been performing Elastic consulting across search, observability, and security solutions. The problem we are looking at today is basically if you take any document store where you have documents or presentations or Excel files, there are at the minimum 20 versions of the same presentation present everywhere. And they're all rightly named as the final version. In addition to that, you also have these presentations which seem to have one or two slides that are gems, and finding them and reusing them for your upcoming presentation and engagement is a really tough job. A lot of people rely on the native document search provided by these document management systems or storage systems. And these systems basically rely on titles, basic metadata, and keywords to find the most relevant content. But the key piece missing in this puzzle is the whole semantic context that is required to find the specific files that you're thinking about. So that is why we built FrankenSlide. The next time you need to put together a presentation, be it for pre-sales or a customer meeting, you just hand over that work to FrankenSlide. It first goes and figures out what are all not just the right presentations, but also to the next level and identifies the slides inside those presentations. So let's look at how this is done. In this case, we have Google Drive, which is where all our presentations and documents are present. All that content is ingested into Elasticsearch, and the vector embeddings are stored inside indices. Then we use our agent builder user interface to then start interacting with the agent. It first looks and finds all the matching slides, then goes about using the tooling and assemble relevant content. Behind the scene, it uses tools to look and search at indices, and also use custom-built tools that actually use Google Apps Script to assemble the slides. Once these slides are saved into Drive, it provides the link back to the users to go and make any final touches on it. Let's go to the demo. This is FrankenSlide that has been set up in the agent builder. Let's go and have a chat. So let's go together a presentation for one of my upcoming meetings. The agent is going and trying to find all the relevant content that I have in my Google Drive. So we can see here, our agent has gone and pulled in all the relevant content. It has even categorized it. So these are the most relevant solution presentations that we have. It has also pulled information and case study for one of the clients that we have done some work. Then something around the technical architecture, our methodology and best practices. And it also comes with a recommendation on how to lay this content out. So let's ask it to go ahead and create this presentation. So now the agent is going to then go and pull all of these slides out and assemble together in a new presentation and give the link to us. Great. Now it has pulled in all the slides. It chose to 7 slides that talks about our migration workflow, value prop, real client outcomes, and our workflow process, and wrapping it up with our tech stack. So let's go and see how this slide look like, or this presentation. So this is great. So it has assembled a great presentation. The title slide then goes into our migration workflow and tooling, then comparing a human-driven versus an accelerator-driven migration, some outcomes from our recent engagements, highlighting the value, our migration workflow, followed by the tech stack that we use behind the scene. Great. So this tool has really helped me to put together relevant content by browsing through my entire pile of presentations and curated them and stitched them together to offer a final outcome that I could take directly and get to my meeting. Thank you for your time.